Hey guys, I'm Tad. You're watching Tips for Technicians. Today we're talking about E101, which is a communication error from the indoor to the outdoor unit. When working on a Samsung unit in the field, this is one of the problems that I actually face the most. Today I'm going to give you some fast, easy tips to be able to fast track your way to figure out what's wrong with that unit and be able to help you to get past it so that you can get to the next call and be more efficient in your day-to-day service, guys. So let's get started and let's look at some tips for E101. First, let's take a look at E101. Indoor unit communication error. Indoor unit cannot receive any data from the outdoor unit. Now, how does it receive data? Let's take a look. So this right here is your 16-2 shielded cable that's used for the communication. And you're going to have below 5 volts DC, and it's going to jump back and forth. So if you take your meter leads, you go between F1 and F2, the outdoor unit should be jumping, okay? Ground the bare wire at the outdoor unit only. That is a key. If you are on the job and you see this ground wire right here, okay, this ground wire that comes with these two wires, and it's grounded at the indoor unit, that could be your problem. You need to take that ground wire off at the indoor unit and make sure that you ground the bare wire at the outdoor unit only, okay? This will help with any potential interference that can cause communication errors. That's one thing that I will tell you that can help you quite a bit, okay? And F1 and F2 is what allows communication between the outdoor unit and the indoor unit. Okay, so let's go to the checklist. You check the incoming AC voltage, make sure it's 208, 230. If it's over 245, then you could have a bad board and you may need a step-down transformer. Make sure communication control wire 16-2. Verify the control wire is grounded at the outdoor unit only. Make sure the polarity is proper. If F1 is red, F2 is black, make sure it's the same thing at the outdoor unit as well as the indoor. Otherwise, you could have blown a board. The control wire must not be run in the same conduit as the AC voltage. So if you have those two wires, same conduit, it could cause communication interference. Control wire must be run with no splices. I've had this happen a lot. If you want to splice it, it's okay, but you have to do it the right way. That means it's got to be, right on top of each other, and you got to use some heat shrink. You can't use wire nuts. It's going to cause a little bit of resistance. And if you do, you may get lucky, but I just wouldn't make any splices if I were you guys. Are there any condensate pumps on the system that are tied to F1 and F2? If so, you do not need to have that because F1 and F2 communication circuit cannot be broken, switched, or spliced. So again, you need to run a solid wire from your outdoor to indoor. Are there any breaks in the control wires? Again, there you go. Connect ends. So you just connect one end and you ohm out the other one. Make sure that you read your ohms there. If it's OL, then you have a break. Try option code in the indoor unit. Okay, so you're basically going to read your voltage F1 and F2. It says, is the outdoor terminal block F1 and F2 less than DC 5 volts? Yes, that means you're reading. When measuring F1 and F2, the outdoor terminal block, if the voltage varies, communicates below DC 5 volts, the connection status of the connection line is normal. Okay, so if no, you didn't read any on that terminal, replace the PCB of the outdoor unit after turning off. So guys, I'm going to show you what the PCB looks like. So this is what your outdoor unit PCB looks like, and it said that if you didn't have any voltage coming from the outdoor unit, that you could have a failure in your main PCB. I just want to show you guys what that looks like. It says right here you can check CN301, which is F1 and F2, and it's that red plug right there. See, the outdoor unit has got two boards on this model. There is a SMPS, which is a switch mode power supply board, and then you have the outdoor unit PCB. I hope this is a helpful video for somebody that is out there in the field having a communication error, and I hope that it fast tracks your way to be able to figure out this problem quickly. Anyways, if you have any questions, definitely don't forget to comment, and please subscribe and just support me, guys. Thanks.